Welcome to this short video where I'll be showing you guys an alternative method than using Binance P2P to get funds from cryptocurrency directly to your local bank account regardless of wherever you are in the world, right? So this method, unlike Binance P2P where you can send funds from cryptocurrency to any bank in the world regardless of where you are, this method actually requires the use of a Visa card. So it's a physical card that you can purchase online and you can have it shipped to you regardless of where you are in the world. It takes a little bit over a month, or at least it took a little bit over a month to come to me, and I'm in a relatively tough place to get things to in the world. You know, when it comes to shipping, when it comes to importing, when it comes to exporting, it's a little bit more difficult than it is for a lot of other countries for persons living where I live, Guyana, South America. So the fact that I still managed to get it and it came directly through the mail, I didn't have to, use a special delivery company or anything like that. It at least gave me the confidence to do this video so that anyone looking for a solution to get crypto to their local bank accounts might find this video useful as well. So without any further ado, the site that I'm talking about, the card, is called Redotpay, Redotpay. The link to the website will be in the description, and if you use my link, you'll get a 30% off on your first purchase of the physical card. So the physical card is actually $100 and it takes a little bit over a month to be shipped to your address. And you can also purchase a virtual card that you can load up with crypto and spend on certain sites that maybe don't accept payments from your local banks. So there are two main functions of the Redotpay. You can use it online at merchants that don't accept your local banks, and you can also have the physical card to withdraw funds from your local ATMs. Alright, so once we're on the home page for Redotpay, you'll see a list of options, then you can go through them. You can also check on whether your country is accepted, the availability of your country, right here on the web page for Redotpay. But most countries in the world are accepted. I think it's only 7 countries or something they don't work with, but your country is more than likely one of them that they work with. So you can see the type of transactions you can send and receive. You can also do internal transfers. There is secure custodian. There is support for your needs or questions if you might have any. And when we just take a little scroll down on the website, you can see that there are 2 types of cards. There's the virtual card and the physical card. So with the virtual card, you can have instant transactions. It's widely accepted and it's compatible with Apple and Google Pay. And for the physical card, it's basically everything before, plus the addition of tap to pay and ATM withdrawals. So you can pay at merchants by just tapping with the card, and you can withdraw from the ATM as well. And this is all cryptocurrency. So if you're invested in crypto, if you trade, if you have any other source of income that is in the form of crypto, but you need it to go back to your local bank account or whatever the case is, then this is by far one of the best methods because the fees are very, very small. Then on the app itself, there's a list of options that basically gives you the same amount of control that you would have at a bank if you own the bank. So you have a list of options that you can choose to do with your card. You can choose to limit the amount. You can choose what amount you would like to deposit. You can freeze the card. You can choose to change the PIN. There's basically a lot more options there than you would have with your normal Visa card from your issuing bank. So I'll go on to the app real quick and just show you some of the functions that are available on the app and what you can do with the card. But we'll go over to the mobile app right now, and then I'll show you just some of the functionalities and how easy it is to use the Redotpay card. So let's go over there now. Alright, so real quick, now that I'm editing that video, I realized that I didn't actually get to show you guys the physical card, so here it is. And yeah, it came a little while, and as I said in the video, I got it stuck in the bank, and I managed to get it back regardless, and it works pretty fine. There isn't any information visible on the card, just your Visa, sign your name and basically the chip. Yeah, so back to the video where I can show you guys the app and some more functions of the card. But yeah, it actually came. Alright, so after we've downloaded our app from the App Store, we just need to locate it on our list of apps, the Redotpay app, and you can set up your biometrics or Face ID. And here is the inside of the dashboard of the card. As you can see there, I have a few transactions that I did and they're all visible. There are a list of transactions and you can click on them to see all the details of each of your transactions. You can also set it to only go through once you allow it to go through. So yeah, it's kind of a bit more control than you would have at the bank. So you can choose the type of cryptocurrency that you would like to deposit from the list of options right here, and it will be reflected in your account. You can also withdraw from your Redotpay card to maybe an exchange or trading account or wherever it is you would like to withdraw some of your funds to. So there's the option to withdraw. You can convert as well from one cryptocurrency to the other free of charge on Redotpay. And at the bottom of the screen where it says card, you can actually tap there and you will see your physical or virtual card being displayed right here. To view the details of your physical card, you simply tap on view and you would see your card number, expiration date, and CVV code. You can also have a little custom name like I have at the top right corner on the card, the GTFX name. And if the card gets stolen or lost or misplaced, then you also have the option to freeze the card. Now, I actually have this card over a month and I'm now making a video with it because I actually already managed to get the card stuck in a local ATM. So I've actually been running around with the bank trying to get the card back, but I got it back last week. So if I felt as though, you know, somebody else had the card or it was lost and I can't get it back, there's always the option to freeze the card so no one would be able to spend or send or receive any money. And actually you still won't be able to send it because you need the app in order to do that. Furthermore, there's also the settings where you can disable certain types of payments. Let's say if you misplace the card but you would not like to freeze the card, you would just like to make the card basically a piece of plastic. So you can go into your security sections, and these are the different types of transactions that you can do with the card, or you can turn off for the card. So when my card was misplaced, I turned off offline transactions, since that could potentially be the only thing that you're able to do, because on the card it does not have any card information itself, only in the app does. So you won't be able to use it online. And the ATM withdrawals, you would need to know what the PIN is. And in addition to that, I can also see if you were, you know, trying to make a withdrawal from the ATM on the card. So I can disable all of these if I want. I can set the transaction currency. I could set the default currency for the app. I can update the PIN if I would like to change the PIN or the billing address. So as you can see, there's a lot of options you can do with the card, and it's basically giving you the same control as a bank. So yeah, that would be it. I just felt that I really needed to make this short video to show you guys that, you know, there's other options out there that you can use to get your funds from cryptocurrency to your local bank, you know, because I know there's a lot of persons out there in the crypto space looking to invest in crypto or have already invested in crypto but don't really have any clear means of getting their funds to their account. locally. So I really hope that this video could help in some way, and if there's anyone who knows about any other methods that they use, make sure to drop it in the comments. Maybe someone else will find it useful, or maybe I'll give it a check out and make a video on it someday. But that will be it for this one, and if you made it this far in the video, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll definitely catch you in the next one. Peace.